Welcome to this training on how to edit a page on your website. For this training, we'll be on a determination website, but keep in mind that editing a web page or creating a web page works the exact same way no matter what website you're in. Some pages are editable at different levels. For example, on the determination website, we're able to edit the content here on the home page. But if I go to a Relay for Life website, we're able to edit different content. We're also able to edit these pages that appear under More Event Information. However, if you're on a golf website or a gala website, you're able to edit almost every single page that appears on your website. I'm going to go back to the determination website. We'll scroll up to the top because the first thing we want to do is enter the Event Management Center. We'll spend all of our time in Event Website. At the top of the Event Website, we'll see where you can create a custom page. This creates a page from an absolutely blank template. We can also copy a custom page. If there's a page that we like how it's formatted and we want to steal that formatting, we can copy the page and then change the content. To edit any of the pages that already exist on your website, we'll scroll down a little further and we'll see an area Choose a Page to Edit. Next to this is a drop down where we can choose from all of the pages that already exist on our website. So in this case, let's practice editing the Committee and Team Meetings area. So we'll click Committee and Team Meetings and we'll see if we scroll down we have what looks like our website, other than it has a very light dotted area. In this dotted area is the editable content. Now be careful because we'll see there's a scroll bar on the far right, there's also an interior scroll bar, and there's a scroll bar at the bottom. What we want to do is we'll move our scroll bars until we can see this edit button, which is at the top right hand corner of this dotted line. Once we click edit, we now have a third pop-up. So now we have 3 scroll bars on the right hand side and 2 on the bottom. So what I like to do is put my mouse on the edge of this new pop-up till we get something that looks like a 4-pointed arrow. Then we'll click on our mouse and we can move this pop-up into our viewable area. Once the pop-up is in our viewable area, you'll see something that's called a WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG simply stands for what you see is what you get. And it basically takes all of the edits that we make to the website and makes it very easy for us to edit it. So when you want to make changes, all you'll have to do is simply type in those changes as if it were a Word document. So if we want to put the date of our first committee meeting, maybe January 16th, 2011, and it's going to be at 6 p.m. and it's going to be at North High School, we can simply just type that in and we'll see that that appears on the WYSIWYG. Now if we were to click save, it'll take the WYSIWYG away, but it'll show us exactly the changes that we've made. So if we click back on edit and we get the WYSIWYG again, pull it back down, you'll see a lot of standard formatting options. So you can make things bold, italicized, underline. You can copy and paste. You can also align left, center things, or align right. You can use number bulleting or regular bulleting. There's a lot of different options of things you can do. You can insert documents. You can also insert pictures, which we have separate trainings on. We also have a training for advanced WYSIWYG training, and that will simply go through a lot of the other formatting that's more than just your standard formatting. So this is how we'll edit any of the web pages.